Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to log into Paramount Plus using your YouTube TV subscription. It's a simple process, but sometimes a little guidance can be helpful. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps necessary to access Paramount Plus content through your YouTube TV account. We'll cover activating Paramount Plus, linking your accounts, and troubleshooting common issues. Before we begin, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tutorials. It really helps us out. Okay, let's dive in.
Astérisque astérisque, section 1, activating Paramount Plus, astérisque astérisque.
First things first, you need to make sure you actually have Paramount Plus as part of your YouTube TV package. Sometimes it's included in a promotion, or you may have added it on separately. Asterisk check your YouTube TV subscription asterisk head over to your YouTube TV account settings. Look for a membership or add-ons section. You should see Paramount Plus listed there if you're already paying for it. If not, you'll need to add it to your subscription. Asterisk adding Paramount Plus. If necessary, if you don't see Paramount Plus, YouTube TV usually makes it pretty easy to add. Just navigate to the add-ons section, find Paramount Plus, and follow the on-screen prompts to subscribe. Section 2, linking your accounts, Method 1, direct sign-in through Paramount Plus. Now, let's get those accounts linked. This is the most common method. Asterisk go to the Paramount Plus website or app. Asterisk open the Paramount Plus website on your computer or launch the Paramount Plus app on your streaming device, Roku, Apple TV, Fire Stick, etc. Asterisk select Sign In. Asterisk you'll see a Sign In button. Click or tap on it. Asterisk choose Sign In with a provider. Asterisk instead of entering your email and password, look for an option like Sign In with a provider, Sign In with TV provider, or something similar. Asterisk find YouTube TV. Asterisk a list of TV providers should appear. Scroll through and select YouTube TV. Asterisk YouTube TV authentication. Asterisk you'll likely be redirected to a YouTube TV login page. Sign in with your YouTube TV email and password. Asterisk authorize Paramount Plus. Asterisk YouTube TV will ask if you want to grant Paramount Plus access to your account. Click Allow or Authorize. Asterisk enjoy Paramount Plus. Asterisk you should now be logged into Paramount Plus, ready to stream. Section 3, linking your accounts. Method 2, through YouTube TV interface, if available. Sometimes, YouTube TV allows you to activate Paramount Plus directly within its own interface. This is usually for promotional offers. Asterisk check YouTube TV's interface. Asterisk look for a banner or notification related to Paramount Plus, especially if you just added the channel. Asterisk follow on-screen instructions. Asterisk the banner will typically lead you through a simple activation process, often involving confirming your YouTube TV account. Section 4, troubleshooting common issues. Okay, what if things don't go smoothly? Let's look at some common problems and how to fix them. Asterisk invalid credentials, error. Asterisk double check that you're using the correct YouTube TV email and password. Try resetting your password if you're unsure. Asterisk stuck in a login loop. Asterisk clear your browser's cache and cookies or clear the app data on your streaming device. This often resolves authentication issues. Asterisk provider not listed. Asterisk make sure your YouTube TV subscription is active and in good standing. Contact YouTube TV support if the issue persists. Asterisk account already linked, but not working. Sometimes, the accounts get stuck. Try unlinking them from both the Paramount Plus and YouTube TV websites, if possible. Then, go through the linking process again. Asterisk contact support. Asterisk if all else fails, don't hesitate to contact both YouTube TV and Paramount Plus support. They can often help diagnose and resolve account linking problems. Section 5, Conclusion. And there you have it. You should now be able to access Paramount Plus content through your YouTube TV subscription. Remember to double-check your account status, ensure you're using the correct login credentials, and try clearing your cache if you run into any issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next one.